Hello, and welcome to today's session. Learning Outcome, LO2. Understand the role of corporate governance in the management of companies. Today, we will explore a crucial aspect of business law and management: how corporate governance shapes the way companies are run. Have you ever wondered how companies maintain accountability, transparency, and long-term success? This session will examine the key principles and frameworks of corporate governance in the UK, showing how they guide decision-making, protect stakeholders, and promote responsible management. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a clear understanding of the role corporate governance plays in ensuring companies operate effectively, ethically, and in compliance with legal and regulatory standards. Corporate accountability involves balancing stakeholder and shareholder interests. Issues arise from separating ownership and control, affecting executive pay and shareholder engagement. Directors and officers play key roles, with rules on appointment, retirement, and disqualification. Meetings, voting, and resolutions are fundamental to governance. These elements ensure directors act in the company's best interests. Directors have general duties codified under the Companies Act 2006. They must act within powers, promote success, and avoid conflicts of interest. Statutory controls include rules against self-dealing and insider trading. Enforcement is through FOS, the Harbottle, and statutory derivative claims. These measures ensure directors fulfill their responsibilities. Shareholders own the company and exercise control through voting. Minority shareholders have specific rights to protect their interests. Shares differ from debentures, offering various rights and obligations. Class rights can vary, affecting voting and dividends. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for shareholder engagement. The doctrine of ultra vires limits company actions beyond its stated objectives. Constructive notice has declined, affecting company operations. Unlisted shares face restrictions, requiring board approval for transfers. Articles of association set these rules, ensuring control over ownership. This framework maintains company stability and governance. Market abuse involves unfair trading practices, regulated by the UK Market Abuse Regulation. Insider trading is a criminal offence under the Criminal Justice Act 1993. Directors and senior managers must disclose transactions. The Financial Conduct Authority enforces compliance, ensuring market integrity. Sanctions deter unethical behavior in financial markets. Vicarious liability holds companies accountable for employees' actions. The alter ego doctrine treats the company and its controllers as one entity. These concepts impact legal responsibility and governance. They ensure companies operate within ethical and legal boundaries. Understanding these doctrines is vital for corporate compliance. Corporate governance is a framework of rules and processes directing company management. It distributes authority among directors, management, and stakeholders. In the UK, it promotes responsible and transparent management. The Companies Act 2006 and UK Corporate Governance Code guide this framework. These elements ensure long-term company success. Corporate governance maintains accountability, integrity, and transparency. It ensures directors act in owners' best interests. Objectives include accountability, transparency, fairness, responsibility, and sustainability. Strong governance prevents scandals and mismanagement. Cases like Enron highlight the damage poor governance can cause. The UK framework is based on law and best practices. Key sources include the Companies Act 2006 and UK Corporate Governance Code. The Financial Reporting Council oversees compliance. Together, these ensure accountability and market confidence. The framework supports responsible company management. The UK Code outlines 5 key principles: leadership, effectiveness, accountability, remuneration, and stakeholder relations. Leadership requires an effective forward-setting strategy. Effectiveness involves skills and diversity. Accountability ensures fair assessments. Remuneration aligns pay with long-term success. Stakeholder relations involve engagement and understanding. The board ensures proper management and decision-making. Functions include setting strategy, oversight, risk management, and ethical leadership. Boards have executive and non-executive directors. Shareholders appoint directors and hold them accountable. Stakeholders influence governance through broader social responsibility. Good governance builds trust and improves decision-making. It enhances financial stability and ethical behavior. Investment is attracted through transparency. Long-term sustainability and reputation are supported. Weak governance leads to mismanagement and financial loss, as seen in Carillion. Companies are expected to act responsibly towards employees, customers, and the environment. Corporate social responsibility initiatives enhance public trust. Sustainability reporting demonstrates commitment to ethical standards. This approach strengthens company reputation. Control involves authority to direct company activities. It ensures accountability and compliance. Types include ownership, management, and financial control. The board monitors performance and risk. Internal control systems safeguard assets and ensure reporting accuracy. Stakeholders include shareholders, directors, employees, and more. Each has distinct roles in ensuring ethical operations. Shareholders appoint directors and vote on decisions. Directors lead and set strategy. Employees contribute to productivity and culture. Effective governance relies on fulfilling these duties. Shares represent company ownership, granting rights like voting and dividends. Shareholders own shares and influence governance. Types include ordinary, preference, and non-voting shares. Shareholder rights are defined by the Companies Act and Articles of Association. These elements shape corporate control. Transfer involves voluntary changes in ownership, while transmission is involuntary. Private companies restrict share transfer to maintain control. Transmission occurs due to death or bankruptcy, requiring legal documentation. These processes ensure ownership stability. Articles of Association govern these actions. Insider dealing involves trading on confidential information. It's a criminal offense under UK law. Insiders include directors and employees with access to sensitive data. Penalties include imprisonment and fines. Preventive measures ensure market integrity and fairness. Companies interact with external parties through legal personality. Directors act as agents, making decisions on behalf of the company. Contracts form the basis of external dealings. Companies must communicate with regulatory bodies. These interactions ensure compliance and accountability. Companies engage with the community through CSR and ESG principles. Responsibilities include ethical conduct and environmental compliance. External relationships enhance reputation and demonstrate governance commitment. Legal accountability ensures companies act lawfully. Directors face personal liability for misconduct. In conclusion, the video highlights that a robust governance framework enables companies to uphold ethical management and maintain accountability. UK laws and corporate governance principles further reinforce transparency and responsible decision-making. By embracing these elements, organizations can secure long-term success, resilience, and sustainable growth. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me via text or phone at 07000 484 361,688. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you at the next session.